From a service I saw on TV, I heard great things about National Floors Direct. I saved $2,000 off my best quote and no interest for 1 year.
At National Floors Direct, we offer next-day installation on name brand carpet and hardwood floors. Call 888-400-FLOOR.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, sweetie. Mother Nature is at work, but Father Nature's here. Let's see. How about some Smucker's Natural? First ingredient, real strawberry.
The applause is not the end. It's the start of a new era filled with greater appreciation for all we hold dear, like our loved ones, our freedoms, and our health. In this new dawn, Northwell is here to safeguard your health, making sure you can get the care you need when you need it, with smart safety precautions in place designed to protect you. Let's take back control of our health, safely, confidently, together. Visit northwell.edu/safecare.
A green light. Next at 4, Governor Cuomo clears all New York schools. Some students are taking a stand against in-person learning. And another round of rain today. Will we dry out for the weekend? We'll let you know. Then blackout, what suddenly plunged parts of the city into darkness. Next after Ella. Today at 5, one traffic stop, two very different points of view. News 4 has the body cam footage from 18 officers and witnesses. It breaks down what went wrong. Today at 5.
These days we're apart, but we still want extended family.
Weekdays at 2 on NBC for New York.
You try something new. We have this might be fun. We'll see. We have some people in the audience who claim they have special talents. Twitch and I are going to guess if they can do it or if they're lying. It's a game called Can You Do That? All right, Andy, where's our first person? Okay, hi. Let's hear
Thank you for watching, guys.